In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header and footer in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to look more polished when printing or saving as a PDF, adding a header or footer is a simple way to do it. Headers and footers can include useful details like page numbers, the sheet name, the file title, or even custom text that helps identify the document at a glance. To get started, open your Google Sheets file and go to the top menu bar. Click File, then select Print. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on Mac. This will open the Print Preview screen, which is where all header and footer options are located. Once you're in the Print Preview window, look over to the panel on the right side of the screen. You'll see several print settings there. Find the section labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand the available options. This section gives you control over what appears at the top and bottom of each printed page. Next, choose any preset elements you want Google Sheets to add automatically. You can check the boxes for page numbers, the workbook title or file name, the sheet name, the current date, and the current time. These built-in options are helpful because they update automatically and keep your document organized, especially if you're printing multiple pages or sharing the file with others. If you want to personalize the layout even more, click Edit Custom Fields. After that, click into any of the empty boxes shown at the top of the page preview for the header or at the bottom for the footer. Here, you can type in your own text or insert available icons. This is useful if you want to add a custom label, a department name, or any other non-sensitive detail that makes the document easier to recognize. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview so you can see exactly how everything will look when printed. When you are happy with the layout, click the blue Confirm button in the top right corner. This saves your custom header and footer setup. Then click Next to continue with printing the sheet or downloading it as a PDF, depending on what you need. That's all it takes to add a header and footer in Google Sheets. It only takes a minute, but it can make your spreadsheet look much more professional and easier to navigate when printed. Thanks for watching.